Hello, it's Mark and welcome to another episode here at Big Man in the Woods, your online scout leader helping you deliver more practice skills and skills for life. Now in this video, it's a bit of a rant, okay? I'm ranting between this and the contents of my Hudson Bay. And I get quite a lot of people confused between the two of them. What am I talking about? Let's find out. So we've seen it online, we've heard it ourselves, and I must confess, I've said it a few times. The difference between this bad boy, a fire steel, and this, flint and steel. Flint and steel. We've heard it time and time again. Fire steel, flint and steel, not flint and steel. Yeah, people do get confused, and like I say, I've said it a few times, but there is quite a big difference still. Now, some people do call this a ferrocerium rod, absolutely correct. Fire steel, fire rod, I've heard this a few times, but the main difference, you as a scout leader have to remember terminology, flint and steel, fire steel, okay? Flint and steel being the flint, the stone, and the steel, that is just pure steel. And they work in two different ways. So this fires out a very cold spark, okay? It's an orange spark, and then you would put that in the famous bird's nest, okay? So you would create a spark, jump on your bit of char cloth or whatever bit of tinder you're going to use. You would drop that into your bird's nest, and away you go. You would blow that up and get your fire going that way. Whereas the fire steel, it is a striker here and a component of different metals, magnesium and some other bits and pieces. You create your spark, and that will get fire going in many different ways. So you can drop it on cotton wool, you can drop it on a bit of you can do the bird's nest, you can do sparks onto different materials. But what I want to say, this is one big rant of mine, Big Man in the Woods. This is a fire steel, this flint and steel. Get it right. Don't forget, guys, subscribe to Big Man in the Woods and I'll give you some more tips and tricks about firelighting and some other scout leader tricks. Subscribe to Big Man in the Woods and I will see you next time here on Big Man in the Woods.